In 2025, AI laptops have finally become affordable thanks to dedicated neural processing units, or NPUs. These chips are built specifically to handle AI tasks like language processing, image generation, and real-time automation, faster and more efficiently than your CPU or GPU alone. Whether you're a power user or just want a machine that's ready for where computing is headed, we're breaking down the top 5 laptops for the AI-powered future. First, let's talk about the Lenovo ThinkPad T14's Gen 6. At first glance, this machine looks like your classic ThinkPad, sturdy, all business, no unnecessary flash, but under the hood, it's now quietly packing some serious AI capability. Lenovo outfitted this model with AMD's latest Ryzen AI Pro chip, which includes a dedicated neural processing unit. That means it can offload AI tasks like noise suppression, eye tracking, or even running small language models without waking up the main processor. The result? Smoother multitasking, longer battery life, and honestly, a laptop that feels smarter than it should at this size. The battery life is another standout feature. Lenovo claims over 20 hours, and while real-world usage will knock that number down a bit, it still easily gets you through a full workday and then some. That's a big deal if you're the kind of person who codes in cafes and forgets your charger. You know who you are. Now, the display is where some people might hesitate. It's a 14-inch WXGA panel, so it's sharp but not particularly vibrant. If you're working on anything visual or creative alongside your AI work, it might feel a little underwhelming. But for spreadsheets, code editors, and terminal windows, perfectly fine. What makes this laptop special, though, is the way it blends enterprise reliability with cutting-edge AI features. It is quiet, cool, efficient, and unlike some high-performance laptops, it will not sound like a jet engine every time you open TensorFlow. Next is the Swift 14, a super portable AI powerhouse. It has a lightweight and durable construction thanks to its aluminum build. Under the hood, the Swift 14 AI is powered by Intel's Core Ultra 7 258V processor, which includes a dedicated neural processing unit, NPU, capable of delivering up to 47 trillion operations per second. That's more than enough for real-time language translation, smart image enhancements, and everyday AI features like Copilot, but it can also handle more advanced workloads, like running locally hosted language models or fine-tuning smaller neural networks without relying on cloud resources. It's not a full replacement for a GPU workstation if you're training supermassive models, but for developers, researchers, and power users experimenting with on-device inference or AI development, it's a surprisingly capable machine. The laptop boasts a 14-inch 1920 by 1200 IPS touchscreen display, providing vibrant visuals and responsive touch input. This makes it well suited for content creation and media consumption. It offers up to 19 hours of usage on a single charge. This endurance ensures that users can work throughout the day without frequent recharging. Now let's look at a possibly surprising pick, the Apple MacBook Air M4. Apple's M-series chips have actually become a favorite for deep learning, and this model raises the bar significantly. It's rare to call an Apple product a value pick, but for around $1,000, it's hard to find a machine this capable for AI work. At first glance, the MacBook Air M4 maintains the sleek, minimalist design that Apple is known for. However, under the hood, it introduces significant enhancements that actually make it a fully capable AI beast. The M4 chip is at the heart of this upgrade, featuring a 10-core CPU and up to a 10-core GPU. This configuration delivers up to twice the performance of the M1 model and up to 23 times faster performance compared to the fastest Intel-based MacBook Air. And one of the standout features is the improved neural engine, which is up to 3 times faster than that of the M1. This enhancement accelerates AI-based tasks such as photo editing and video processing, making the MacBook Air M4 a capable machine for AI applications. The MacBook Air M4 also finally introduces support for up to 2 external displays without the need to close the laptop's lid, a significant improvement over previous models. Now let's explore the HP OmniBook X, a laptop that redefines portability and battery life in the AI computing landscape. At first glance, the OmniBook X presents a sleek and minimalist design, weighing just under 3 pounds. It's powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Elite processor, featuring a 12-core CPU and a dedicated neural processing unit, an NPU. This configuration is tailored for AI-driven tasks, enabling features like real-time language translation and intelligent photo editing. One of the standout features of the OmniBook X is its exceptional battery life. HP claims up to 26 hours on a single charge, and real-world tests have shown it lasting over 16 hours during continuous web browsing. This endurance makes it an ideal companion for professionals on the go. The 14-inch touchscreen display offers a resolution of 2240 by 1400 pixels, delivering sharp visuals. However, it's worth noting that the screen's brightness peaks at around 300 nits, which may be less than ideal for outdoor use. In terms of connectivity, the OmniBook X includes 2 USB-C ports, 1 USB-A port, and a headphone jack. While the port selection is adequate, some users might miss additional USB-A ports or an SD card reader. The laptop runs Windows 11 and comes with Microsoft's Copilot Plus features, enhancing productivity through AI-driven assistance. However, it's important to mention that some applications, particularly those not optimized for ARM architecture, may experience compatibility issues. Finally, we have the Asus ZenBook 14. The ZenBook 14 showcases a sleek and minimalist design, weighing under 3 pounds and measuring just 14.9 millimeters in thickness. This lightweight construction doesn't compromise on durability thanks to its robust all-metal chassis. And what makes the ZenBook perfect for deep learning are Intel's Core Ultra processors, with configurations available up to the Ultra 9 285H. These processors feature integrated neural processing units, NPUs, capable of delivering up to 13 trillion operations per second, facilitating efficient on-device AI tasks. The laptop's 14-inch Asus Lumina OLED display is absolutely beautiful, making it well suited for content creation and media consumption on the go. In terms of battery life, it offers up to 18 hours of usage on a single charge, ensuring you can work throughout the day without frequent recharging. So whether you're running local models or want to boost your productivity with AI, there's never been a better time to upgrade. The AI future is here, and it fits right in your backpack. If you found this helpful, give the video a like. It really helps the channel. And if you want more breakdowns of cutting-edge tech, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.